Welcome people, this is UPSC Connect. So, under the course of Indian society, we will be learning about black money. Black money is a money earned through any illegal activity controlled by the country's regulations. Black money proceeds are usually received in cash from underground economic activity and are not taxed. Recipient of black money must hide it, spend it only in the underground economic activities or attempt to give it appearance of the legitimacy through the money laundering process. The portion of country's economic income that tied to black money affects the economic growth of the country. Black money constitutes a financial leakage since tax income from unreported earnings is not received by government, thereby serving as a loss of revenue to the government. Black money basically वो इनकम होती है, ये वो मनी होती है जो कि इलीगल तरीके से कमाई जाती है या फिर जो टैक्स नहीं होती है। जो उसका रेसिपिएंट होता है वो या तो इस मनी को अंडरग्राउंड इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी में यूज करने की कोशिश करता है या फिर मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग के प्रोसेस के थ्रू जो है इसको एक लेजिटिमेट मनी का अपीयरेंस देने की कोशिश करता है। Now, what is the term money laundering means? इसके बारे में हम लोगों ने इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी के मॉड्यूल में डिस्कस कर रखा है, so kindly refer to that. The portion of the country's income that is tied to black economy. अब जो black money जो है किसी भी कंट्री के इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ को बहुत बुरी तरह हिंडर करती है, क्योंकि फाइनेंशियल लीकेज होता है, टैक्सेशन नहीं होता है, तो इससे बहुत बड़ा जो एक झटका या बहुत बड़ा जो एक स्टेट को एक्सचेकर को बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होता है और वो नुकसान जो है अल्टीमेटली जाके कंट्री के ग्रोथ को हिंडर करता है। In addition, black money causes the financial health of the nation to be underestimated, since unreported earnings cannot be included into GNP, that is Gross National Product. Most black money holders attempt to convert the money into legal money, which is also known as white money. This is typically done through a money laundering process, which can be attempted in a number of ways. For example, Hawala system of transaction. The Hawala system is an informal and cheap method of transferring money from one region to another without uh, movement of any kind of physical money and without using of banks. It operates on code and contacts, and no paperwork or disclosure is required here. Let us take an example. For example, a money launderer in US may decide to send $20,000 through a Hawala dealer to the recipient in India. Hence, the exchange rate agreed upon will be fixed at a significantly higher rate than the official rate. Apart from such systems, we have tax havens, concept of tax havens, such as Switzerland, offer anonymity to money launderers due to the lax policies on funds deposited in their countries. Other outlets of the black money include real estate, jewelry, informal cash, economies, bullion, etc. Black money is both an economic and a social problem. So that was all about this video. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and visit our website for latest updates.